Hi there, Wendy here from Draw So Cute. In this video, we're going to draw a message in a bottle. So let's get started. With this drawing, we're going to first start by drawing the top of the bottle. So right here, I'm going to draw a straight line. So this is just the opening of the bottle. And from here, I'm going to go around, soften the corners on both sides. And then I'm just going to come down and then bring it around again. And connect it. And then from there, about right here on the edge, I'm going to bring in the neck of the bottle and come out. So same thing on this side, straight down and out. And then from there, I'm going to bring it out a little bit more and round it off. So I hope this drawing inspires you to draw your own bottle, whatever shape you wanted to make it. So this one's just a small tall bottle and go straight down. And let's see here, I'm gonna go all the way down. I'm just gonna drag my hand straight down. Let's see here, bring this one down as well. And say about right there, I'm gonna bring it, I'm just gonna start to close it up. So I'm gonna bring it around for a soft corner and just go ahead and connect it. There, so I got my basic shape for my bottle here. And then from there, let's go in with some details. So I'm gonna come up here and give it a cork. So I'm gonna come in here. So it's gonna be thinner than this neck right here. So I'm gonna come in and I'm just gonna pop in a cork. So I'm just gonna make sure it's smaller than this part right here. And just go round it off and give it a slight slant and just connect it. And I'm just going to add some dots here and there just to make it look like cork, like that. And then from there, I'm going to come in here very thinly and just draw a very thin line because you kind of see the cork through the glass. And then right here, you can draw some details. Corner line for the glass. And then let's come in here and we're going to draw some more details in this glass to make it look like glass. So I'm going to basically follow my outline. So I'm just going to come in here and follow the outside of this glass. Sometimes you can skip if you want. It doesn't have to be straight all the way. And then about right here, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to come around the corner. And same thing here. Around it. So there, basically gave myself a little edge so it makes it look like glass when you color it in. And then from there, let's come in here in the neck right here and just draw a slight curve. Just to make it look even more details to this glass. And then from there, let's draw this little message that we have inside this bottle. So I'm going to come to this corner right here and I'm going to draw an oval. So it's about right here in this corner. Just draw an oval first, and then I'm going to bring a slanted angle line down all the way to this corner. So same thing right here. Just gonna bring it all the way down. And right here, I'm gonna round it off. So for my roll of paper. And so now to make it like a roll, come in here in this area and we're going to draw a curve right on this edge and then come straight down. And then from there, we're going to roll it. We'll come around with a curve and straight down once again. So pretty cool, right? Just by making that curve, that straight line looks like there's another roll. I mean, the paper is rolled up inside. Okay, so then from there, let's tie this message right here. So kind of right here in the center, I'm just gonna add a little ribbon. And then right here, just tie it off, little ribbon. And some of the tail of the ribbon. And then let's make some more details right here in the glass. We're going to come in this area right here and draw kind of like half of an oval, because this glass is kind of, you'll see through it because it's not filled. And just bring a curve like that. And then inside, I'm going to add some hearts because it is a message of love. So you can add these hearts if you want to decorate it here and there, wherever you want. So I'm just going to add a few more just to decorate my bottle. So there, my little message in a bottle. I hope this inspires you to draw your own little bottle of love. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.